Grandma, could you please read me a book?
Hello, everyone. Happy fall and happy Halloween. Halloween's going to be a little different this year, right? Because of the pandemic, a lot of kids aren't going trick-or-treating. But you can have fun. There are different things you can do. Be creative. You could build a tent out of a blanket and tell spooky stories. You can get a flashlight and go under the table and read books. Or you could do what my granddaughter Mila is doing. She's going to go on a scavenger hunt inside her house looking for candy. There are a lot of things you can do. Today, I am going to read you a story. I am dressed up like the fairy godmother. But when I'm reading this story, I'm going to be your fairy grandmother. The book is called, What Would Grandma Do During the Quarantine? When Grandma woke up on the morn of March 2020, she turned on the TV and heard, a quarantine is in effect now. Grandma, you must stay at home, were the exact words. Oh no, what am I to do if I can't see you? A different adventure this will be. In my mind, we will still have fun doing amazing things. Here's what we would do if you were quarantined with me. We could build the biggest roller coaster ever. It would go up and down and all around and then restart. To and fro every room in the whole entire house. It would be a very long track from finish to start. To see how long it is, get a measuring tape. Then break it all apart and make another shape. See if a longer one could be made. After that, build a carnival, another ride, or an arcade. Can we do that? The engineering project will keep us busy for hours while keeping our brains excited to think, invent, and grow. Yes, what a great use of our creative superpowers. Yes, 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 we can do that. We would take all kinds of ice cream that were hiding in the freezer frozen. You can't have enough of this creamy treat. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we would eat. It's exactly what Grandma would have chosen. Scoop it in a clean giant bowl. Sprinkle with crunched up candy bars, loads of whipped cream, and candy beads. This edible masterpiece gets 5 stars. To make it more healthy, we would chop up fresh fruit, apples, strawberries, pineapple, and a grape, and save them for dessert if we were still hungry, so we can stay slim and trim and in good shape. Can we do that? If we eat that humongous sundae, we'll get a tummy ache and a tooth decay. No, 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 we can't do that. How about exercise by bowling down the hallway with empty water bottles as pins? Get all different sizes and colors of bouncy balls, a strike, a spare. Which one of us will win? Can we do that? I don't know. We might hit a window and insects and frogs might start to show. No, no, no. We can't do that. We could build a tent using sheets, towels, and pillowcases. Tie them to chairs, bedposts, or doorknobs. Knot them tight so they don't fall down. Make sure you work hard and do a good job. Can we do that? We could play games, have picnics, use instruments, and read books all day. Go back and forth to the tents we display. Our specially constructed, beautifully designed tents of play. Yes, 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 we can do that. We could ride our bikes all around the house, bumping into chairs, the sofa, tables, and the bed. Have races, beep our horns, and do tricks, screaming and shouting, whee, with a helmet on our head. Can we do that? We may have to rethink this. Listen to me. We could fall, get hurt, and bruise both our knees. No, no, no. We cannot do that. How about setting up the pool in the house? Fill it with water and bubbles and floats. Splashing and squirting water everywhere. Squeaky wet, bubbly clean. We feel like we are in a boat. Can we do that? Nope. We could slip and slide. No swimming in a pool inside. That is saved for play outside. No, no, no. We cannot do that. Get those markers that write on a window to draw rainbows with words that bring a smile. As people take their walks and rides, they look so. We need to draw on something different for a while. Can we do that? The markers wash off with simple water and soap. Just make sure you use the right kind to draw your strokes. Be responsible and careful so no windows will be broke. Yes, 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 we can do that. After all the fabulous fun that we had, we will take a little nap to expand our energy level and feel rested again for the other great things Grandma's got planned. There are some things that we can't do and some we can. Whenever we are cooped up with each other, there will always be a spectacular plan to have our own adventures together, hand in hand. The quarantine will end. There will be many fun times to spend, inside, outside, down the street. What do you want to do then? Let's make that plan now. Any ideas to review? Listing many more fun, creative things to do, especially crafted for Grandma and you. What memories we will make just for us two. Yes, 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 we can do that. Hope you enjoyed the story. Happy Halloween.
Then I'm going to make my own story.